Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to view your transaction history on InfinitePay.io. Keeping track of your transactions is crucial for managing your finances effectively. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the payment history section. This is where all your past transactions are recorded. Here, you will see a list of all your transactions including dates, amounts, and transaction IDs. You can filter these by date, type, or status to find specific transactions. Click on any transaction to view more detailed information. This includes transaction status, payment method, and any associated notes or messages. You can also download your transaction history as a CSV or PDF file for your records. Look for the download or export option in the transaction history section. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to view your transaction history on InfinitePay.io. This feature helps you to stay on top of your financial activities and ensures you have all the information you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.